everyone, I am Jerlyn Oyok from BE 1A. Join me in exploring the international phonetic sounds. Come on, let's get EPA with me.
There are two types of vowel sounds, the monophthong vowel sounds and the diphthong vowel sounds. The monophthong vowel sounds contains 12 vowel sounds, while the diphthong vowel sounds contains 8 vowel sounds. The monophthong vowel sounds. E, sure, mention, tension, air, shell, bread, sea, ah, moose, bamboo, scoop, ah, ah, dove, proof, boot, air, air, hail, exit, bag, ow, r, earn, curve, worm, air, air, scorcher, share, exposure, oh, coach, phone, cartoon, ah, ash, bag, ankle, oh, open, told, boat, ah, plan, mad, can. Always remember that the sound with the two dots are long vowel sounds. Tongue's vowel sound. A, bay, sleigh, cake, oi, voice, royal, appointed, I, like, kind, fly, air, air, chair, stare, air, clear, career, market, oh, loud, wand, lure, oh, oh, shelter, show, snow, owl, dove, ounce, awkward. There are two types of consonants, the unvoiced consonants and the voiced consonants. Let's start with unvoiced consonants. The unvoiced consonant, as in pen, pad, pants, as in far, fair, form, as in think, thought, and through, as in top, take, talk, as in sub, some, soap, as in shelter, basher, closure. Ch, ch, as in chin, check, pitch. K, as in coal, keep. And now let's proceed to the voice consonants. First we had b, b, as in ban, bag, band. V, v, as in vocal, vat, in veil. Th, th, as in these, that, and those. The, the, as in dance, doctor, dove. As in zebra, zipper, zinc. Z, z, acquisition, collision. J, j, as in jam, jolly, in jar. G, g, as in gum, gear, gone. M, as in mother, man, monster. M, m, as in next, near, nothing. M, m, as in bang, hang, rang. Y, y, as in younger, yogurt,